Hi guys, I am Lokshana Begum. Today I will discuss with you directive principles of state policy, Indian polity. Let's start. If you want to see it the Bengali version, I will give it to you in the description box. Articles 36 to 51 under Part 4 of Indian Constitution deal with directive principles of state policy. They are borrowed from the Constitution of Ireland, which had copied it from the Spanish Constitution. This article will slowly discuss the directive principles of state policy, its importance in the Indian Constitution, and the history of its conflict with fundamental rights. This topic is important for UPSC mains GS2 and also for political science optional papers. What are the directive principles of state policy? The Sapir Committee in 1945 suggested two categories of individual rights, one being justiciable and the other being non-justiciable rights. The justiciable rights, as we know, are the fundamental rights, whereas the non-justiciable ones are the directive principles of state policy. DPSP are ideals which are meant to be kept in mind by the state when it formulates policies and enacts laws. There are various definitions to directive principles of state which are given below. Number 1. They are an instrument of instruction which are enumerated in the Government of India Act 1935. Number 2. They seek to establish economic and social democracy in the country. Number 3. DPSPs are ideals which are not legally enforceable by the courts for their violation. Directive principles of state policy classifications. Indian Constitution has not originally classified DPSPs, but on the basis of their content and direction, they are usually classified into three types. Number 1, socialistic principles. Number 2, Gandhian principles. And number 3, liberal intellectual principles. Directive principles of state policy, socialistic principles. Definition. They are the principles that aim at providing social and economic justice and set the path towards the welfare state. Under various articles, they direct the state to Article 38 promote the welfare of the people by securing a social order, though justice, social, economic, and political, and to minimize inequalities in income, status, facilities, and opportunities. Article 39 secures citizens. Number 1. Right to adequate means of livelihood for all citizens. Number 2. Equitable distribution of material resources of the community for the common good. Number 3. Prevention of concentration of wealth and means of production. Number 4. Equal pay for equal work for men and women. Number 5. Preservation of the health and strength of workers and children against forcible abuse. Number 6. Opportunities for the healthy development of children. Article 39A promote equal justice and free legal aid to the poor. Article 41 in cases of unemployment, old age, sickness, and disablement. Secure citizens. Number 1. Right to work. Number 2. Right to education. Number 3. Right to public assistance. Article 42 make provision for just and human conditions of work and maternity relief. Article 43 secure a living wage, a decent standard of living and social and cultural opportunities for all workers. Article 43A takes steps to secure the participation of workers in the management of industries. Article 47 raises the level of nutrition and the standard of living of people and to improve public health. Directive Principles of State Policy, Gandhian Principles. Definition. These principles are based on Gandhian ideology used to represent the program of reconstruction enunciated by Gandhi during the national movement under various articles. They direct the state to Article 40. Organize village panchayats and endow them with necessary powers and authority to enable them to function as units of self-government. Article 43. Promote cottage industries on an individual or cooperation basis in rural areas. Article 43b promote voluntary formation, autonomous functioning, democratic control and professional management of cooperative societies. Article 46 promote the educational and economic interest of SCs, STs and other weaker sections of the society and to promote them from social injustice and exploitation. Article 47 prohibit the consumption of intoxicating drinks and drugs which are injurious to health. Article 48 prohibit the slaughter of cows, calves and other males and dragged cattle and to improve their breeds. Directive Principles of State Policy, Liberal Intellectual Principles. Definition. These principles reflect the ideology of liberalism. Under various articles, they direct the state to Article 44 secure for all citizens a uniform civil code throughout the country. Article 45 provide early childhood care and education for all children until they complete the age of 6 years. Article 48 organize agriculture and animal husbandry on modern and scientific lines. Article 49 protect monuments, places and objects of artistic or historic interest which are declared to be of national importance. Article 50 separate the judiciary from the executive in the public services of the state. Article 51 number 1 promote international peace and security and maintain just and honorable relations between nations. Number 2 foster respect for international law and treaty obligations. Number 3 encourage settlement of international dispute by arbitration. Please like, share and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you.